Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, my love. So today's video is really exceptional. We're going to be doing something elegant, something beautiful. First of all, I'm going to be segmenting my hair all the way through to the very end, and then I brush it through. Guys, I had to part it off camera because I don't know what it was. I asked my friend to help me segment it, and she really did a good job from what you can see. So I'm going to be using the Lush natural twist for this look. Why I like this Lush Kinky is because it's actually really soft, and it's really soft, literally. I'm going to brush it just like you can see, and I'm going to pack it and use the one that I'm going to be using for the hair. Okay, so I'm going to pick this part. I'm going to use like attachments. You know how you pick attachments and just you segment it into 3. I'm going to hold it as though I'm braiding the hair. Make sure it's really firm, make sure it's held properly, and then you just braid. As soon as you braid and you've reached a reasonable length, what you do is you part it in 2 parts, and then you begin to twist. Now when you're twisting, make sure it seems effortless. Don't hold it so firm, just enjoy the process, just twisting. It's a really simple process, the twisting part. So guys, I needed to save space, hence why I went off camera and did other parts. So this is another part where I'm just going to hold the hair firmly, like the segmented part, and I'm going to braid it like close to my hair, like really firm. Make sure you can feel that your hair is connected to your head and you're braiding it literally. And as soon as you've reached a reasonable length through the braiding, you are now going to start twisting. Okay, you're just going to be twisting, and you enjoy the process of twisting. You feel the lightness of the kinky, you enjoy the process, and it's just really effortless. Let me know if you've ever tried twisting on yourself before, because this is my first time and I enjoy the process. So I'm just going to twist it all the way down, and for the tip, make sure you roll it. Don't really roll, more like you coil it. Okay, so you just have to keep twisting it, and as you're twisting it, imagine yourself looking beautiful twisting it. That is what I used to console myself, because I was like, no, when am I actually going to stop this? Like, when am I going to end making this video? So for this other part, I'm going to pick the hair, braid it, and twist it. Now when you're picking your kinky, make sure it's sizable to the other one. So some parts of the hair kinky that you've picked and twisted is not going to be bigger than the other part. You just have to be really logical while you're doing it, because that's just the whole process. And I really love this hair, I really do. It's very light, and I think that's why I went for the kinky Lush hair. Like, it's light, it's not heavy, and I think generally that's how it is. My Lush hair finished, so I had to rush and go and buy another one, but I couldn't get Lush, you guys, so I just had to stick with Darling Natural Twist. So for the front part, you guys, I needed to use I don't know, I needed to be dramatic about the front part. I don't have much front hair, so but I needed to do something so it wouldn't pull off. So that is why I had to go off camera and just twist it, use rubber, you interchange it, and literally you can see how I did it. I had to segment it into 6 parts so that it would give me what I wanted. Because if I was going to twist it individually, so basically I am literally done making all the hair, just remaining one. So I'm just going to twist it, twist it, twist it. And I keep saying this, enjoy the process while you're twisting it. To me, it felt therapeutic. And I was so proud of myself for doing this by myself. Trust me, it was such a wholesome experience, basically. So as soon as I'm done twisting it, I feel new. I don't know if this happens to you guys, but I feel new. I feel different. Probably maybe because I'm so used to packing gel styles, and this just feels really different. But so that's just it basically. You get the drill. So I just had to go off camera. I had to mousse the hair. I applied cream. I had no space, you guys. I'm so sorry. And then I have to just cut the extra parts that didn't make any sense. Let me know what you think about this look. Did I kill it? Did I not kill it? Or did I mention you actually need to accessorize your hair? So I accessorized every bit of it, and I love the process. I love the process. So part of this tutorial is also teaching you how to style the hair. You can literally style it anyhow you want, but I had to just give it a little sneak peek tutorial on how to actually style the hair yourself. All right. You guys, let me know what you think. I know I kill this. I kill this look, and I love every bit of it. If you're watching up until this moment and you haven't subscribed, please do so to subscribe, okay? I really need it. Like my video, share to your loved ones and the girlies out there. Comment, let me know your thought. Let me know if you're going to be trying this. Let me literally know everything, okay? And I would do well to interact and also get to know your thoughts and points of views as well. So I love this look. I feel like a goddess. Actually, not I am a goddess. I feel like a goddess divine, because this look is giving everything it should, especially with the whole accessory giving it, and the makeup just complemented the look. Let me know what you think. So another styling that I needed to do for you guys was up bun. I don't know. I don't just know. I have this obsession about up bun hairstyles, whichever one. I just want to take it up. I don't know. Probably because it gives me the whole bossy vibe look thing going on. So I'm just going to style it up. Tie it with one of the hair, which is not quite healthy if you feel like it's going to ache you. And as soon as you're done, you just roll it like an up bun thing. You just roll it, and roll it. As soon as you're done rolling it, enjoy your look. Go and slay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It will help me gain more beautiful ladies like you. So I needed to just go off camera and do my makeup and everything. But let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll do well to engage and interact with you. I love you guys so much. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.